What's up, YouTube? I have some little bit of unfortunate news. We had a 95cc big bore kit for our the Honda Metropolitan 2013 to I believe 2015 version. It's a air-cooled Honda Metropolitan, fuel injected. The 95cc big bore kit is no more. That's terrible. But I do have something that I want to share with you. It's not as good, but it's still pretty sweet. Let me show you. This is our new kit. It's an 81cc and it comes with the cylinder, a camshaft. It doesn't come with the head anymore. And then we've got the transmission gears here. And then we've got the Katako variator. And of course the tuner, so you can tune the correct fuel mixture for this. This is our new kit. You can find it on our website. It'll be a little bit lower in price from the 95cc. You still should be able to achieve 50 miles an hour. This is a great kit. I recommend it. If you want to see it, rollingwrenchdenver.com.